Hi, Dizzy. We're going over reciprocals again. So, tangent. The reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. Also written as COT of theta. Same. So, reciprocal just means we flip it. So, now we have 1 over tangent of theta. So, that's what cotangent means. Or is. Yeah?
What's the reciprocal sign?
Okay. Sine has an S, right? The reciprocal of it starts with a C. Yeah, so cosecant. So kind of opposite of C, opposite of S is C. That's how I'm telling people to remind it. So C, SC of theta is the same as 1 over sine of theta. Yep, secant. So it's secant, which is shortened to SEC of theta, which is the same as 1 over cosine of theta. Yeah. Okay, on my unit circle, what is sine? X or Y, Lucy? Y. What about cosine? Yep. And what is tangent? Y over X. So then what is cosecant? 1 over Y. So Declan, what is secant? So we're putting them in forms of Y's. So what is secant? So if cosine is X, yep, 1 over X. Boom. Benj. If I want cotangent, so the reciprocal of tangent, what is its reciprocal?
It's X over Y.
Yep, X over Y. We just flip them. Yes. Any questions? No? Okay. Now we can play the game in a second. So do we all look at the graphs?
Yeah.
Yep. I just saw Regis.
We're gonna draw it like.
You gotta remember what they look like. Yeah.
We're gonna draw it.
So we have drawn them. We've drawn every single one of them. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna draw a graph. You gotta pick which one it is. Do you remember ASL numbers? Yeah? We're gonna do these. You're gonna tell me the numbers on your hand. We're gonna do this in ASL because it's easier. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thumb in. 4, 5. Now flip your hand. 6. And then if you want to do 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah? 6. Yep. It's the same as W. 6 is W. Such a math brain. Yeah. Okay. You ready? Okay. All I want you to do is put your hands up. I'm going to draw a graph. Tell me which one it is. What function is that?
2.
Nah. Just do the hands. Just the numbers. Okay. If you were doing number 1 through 5, palm is facing you. Palm facing you. 6 is the only one you flip over for it. And then you do this. So which one is this? Okay, everyone look at your notebooks. Which function is this? Yeah. This is sine. For our sake, we're not talking about... Wait. For our sake, we're not doing shifting of up and down or left or right. So sine always going to start at 0, 0. Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
If you struggle to remember them, they look almost identical. Remember, if I said right now, point 0 degrees, which way do you all point? If I say point at 0 degrees?
Oh.
Where's 0? It's not straight up, that's 90 degrees. Straight to the right.
Oh, like
And if you think of the unit circle, or if you know the unit circle, what is the sign at 0 degrees? What's the y value at the tip of your finger? That's how I can remember, and you can remember that sine starts at 0.
Mm-hmm.
That 1 point on the unit circle will do it.
Okay. Ready for the next one? Okay.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Show me the hands. I can't, Declan, which one are you doing? You're doing 4 or 5? You're doing 4? Okay. This should be 6. This is cosecant. Yep. So you can remember this by cosecant is the reciprocal. This is cosecant. This is secant. So this one right here, the reciprocal of this function is what? What's the opposite of? We have a c, right? So reciprocal of, yeah. So sine. 1 over sine. So remember we just graphed sine? So sine looks like this roughly. And it touches each one like that. And we're flipping them over. That's how you can remember it. If I can graph a function of sine or cosine and flip it over, that's what it is. Okay, ready for the next one?
Yep.
Okay. Let's do that guy. Only 2 of you are doing the number right on your hands. 3. 3. Yep. This is tangent. Okay. Next one, ready? Wow, it's not pretty. But which one is that? Should be 5. Cotangent. So tangent and cotangent are the only ones that like don't go across. They kind of go up and down like this. So this is tangent. Reciprocal of that is cotangent. This is cotangent. Yeah. Okay. Ready for the next one? Okay. Let's do this one. What function is that? Should be 6. Is this again? This guy. Yep. So I can graph sine. I can graph sine in this function. So I could graph sine right here. This should be
What's the number of 3? Well, then, what is
no.
What is regular secant?
You want to do secant?
Yep.
Okay. Well,
Let's guess.
spoiler. Ready?
Oh, probably.
Oh, it's on the line.
Yep.
Okay, I didn't know the difference.
Okay. That's 4.
Okay, 4.
Yep. Because if I can graph cosine like this and touch them all there. Boom, boom. Yeah? Okay. Backing it up. Okay, ready? What function is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, 7.
Wenzel, what number is that? It looks like a 2 to me right now. It's a 3. Okay, yes. Tangent. You got it. Okay, next one.
Oh,
Cosine. Yes, this would be cosine. Okay, next one. Teacher. Lucy, which one is this? Yes, this is sine.
Call on someone and they have to guess
No, that's why we're doing the numbers.
No, because you just look around and go, oh yeah.
We shouldn't.
Close our eyes and then.
Okay, fine, close your eyes. Well, no, you guys gotta see what the graph is.
No, we're gonna look
Okay.
at it first. and
Okay,
then-
ready? Which function is that?
Wait,
Think about it, think about it, think about it. Close your eyes.
Just give 3 choices.
Now, pick a number. Jade, close your eyes. Be close your eyes. Or you can look at it. No, that's fair. That's fair.
We're serious. Look your eyes, guys. Come on.
Okay, open your eyes. This should have been 5. This is cotangent. Okay. You see how this is going from a positive, kind of going down negative? Cotangent. If I'm going up like this, that's just tangent. Yeah? Okay. We're not done yet. Ready?
Yeah.
Next function. I'm drawing a whole bunch of them.
Okay.
What graph can I graph inside of it to touch each one? And it's the reciprocal of that one. Okay, close your eyes once you have an idea. Okay, open your eyes. This is 4 for this guy. Yes. Okay, so I could graph cosine like so and touch all the points. Because this curve right here is cosine. So reciprocal of cosine is... What's the reciprocal of cosine? No, secant. Yes. Yes. Okay, last one. What function? No, it's not. If you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Open your eyes. It should be 3.
Yeah.
With my thumb out though. Thumb out. Yeah. Cotangent would look like that. You're close. Yes. Okay. That's what's going to be on the test with the reciprocals, mostly. For the graphing of the reciprocals. You will have to graph either sine or cosine on the test. What? Should we do a graphing of a function to practice? Yeah? Lucy, you seem so excited for this. Yeah, no, we're going to graph. Graph is going to be board work. Yep. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes, Declan. Close your eyes, Shade. Close your eyes. Heads down, too. Because y'all are cheating. Okay. I want you to raise your hand if you feel very confident about graphing. Okay, hands down. Put your hands up if you feel medium about graphing. Okay, hand down. Put your hands up if you feel graphing is difficult of sine and cosine. Okay, hand down. Okay. Eyes, heads, whatever, up. Okay. I don't know. Okay, let's pick a function. Do you want sine or do you want cosine? Sine. Okay, we're going to do y equals 2 sine of 8x. I don't know if it's pretty or not. So, we're just going to graph it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go into groups. No, I do. Now I'm just putting you into groups. Okay. No, I know. No. I have it in my head. I know, I'm very, very nice. Okay. Declan, go with Jade. Kian goes with Yell. Benj goes with Wenzel. And Lucy and Beatrice, you are in a group. And I want to join your group. Can I join your group? Okay, cool. I'm joining. I need... Let's do it.
Could we maybe put a mic on?
Yeah, that's really fun.
Alright guys, so we're doing like
Jesse, this was the one we did in class. This was the graph. Also of that function, this should be up here, be 2, and this should be -2, and it should end of at pi house. Now that's just one cycle. You can keep going in both directions. Like so.